Pearl Millet Dosa, or else in Tamil it is known as Kambu Dosa. This particular dosa has originated from Tamil Nadu only, and it's very familiar all over in Tamil Nadu villages, and really it's one of the tastiest dosas, like rice item or wheat item and all. So, and there is no point in mentioning that this is one of the best item in millets for a healthy body. So let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare this particular Kambu dosa or Pearl Millet Dosa. Here I have taken one portion of millet, that is, suppose we calculate it as this 1 cup. I have taken half a cup of our idli ponni rice and quarter cup of urad dal, 1 coconut scrape and salt to taste. This is the ratio for preparing Kambu dosa. All this pearl millet as well as idli rice as well as urad dal should be soaked in water for at least 2 hours. This Kambu as well as idli ponni rice can be soaked together in one vessel for 2 hours. Urad dal should be separately soaked. After 2 hours, you should grind either in a wet grinder or a mixi. If the quantity is more, go for a wet grinder, and if the quantity is less, you can go for a mixi. You should grind these two items together and this separate. Afterwards, after grinding, you have to mix it together. Along with that, while preparing dosa, you have to grind this particular coconut into that. These 3 items you have to grind it. Minimum 8 hours fermentation is needed for that. So 2 hours for soaking, after that grind it, and you should keep at least 8 hours gap for that fermentation. Once the fermentation takes place, you can grind this coconut scrape towards it and then start making dosa. Also, you have to add before fermentation this salt also, so the fermentation will be faster. Here, for my video purpose, I have grinded already this Kambu dosa recipe. See, the consistency of the batter, dosa batter should be like this. Here I have already grinded Kambu, idli rice, urad dal and fresh coconut also. Now let us start preparing dosa. Now we will start preparing Pearl Millet Dosa. You can apply little ghee upon it, or ghee or oil or coconut oil, anything that's left to you. Now we'll slowly lift it. See how crispy dosa is. And I am telling you once again, it's really very tasty dosa. Along with it, we can have coconut chutney or anything, any extra style chutneys and all, or even sauce or pickles, etc. So I think I request everybody to try at least once this particular type of dosa, and your comments through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.